how to enable assistive access on iOS 17. So what we're going to do here is, of course, make sure that you're on the updated version of iOS, which is the iOS 17. Now, all you have to do is to go here to your settings. Now, here on your settings, go to general and your software update, and here you will be able to update your application. I mean, your software or your phone. Now, once it's updated, let's just go back here to settings and scroll down up until you see accessibility here. It's actually under home screen and app library and above wallpaper. So click on the accessibility here. Now, all you have to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see the assistive access. Now, if maybe you're wondering what is assistive access, it is actually for people who have a cognitive disability. So if you click on that and if you give them the phone here, it's actually a simple way of using the phone where you can select the applications that are only allowed for them to use. So for me, these are the applications. So I have chosen the contacts, calls, camera, messages, music, and photos, but you can actually choose a lot more from here if you want. And you can actually customize it here. As you can see, it's either through rows or grids. For me, it's much more appealing if you put it to rows here. You can actually set a wallpaper for this. This is my wallpaper. If I turn on or go to assistive access here, you can turn on the allow volume buttons for them to manipulate the volume buttons and to show your time to on lock screen, to show the battery level, and of course to show the notification badges and allow Siri. And if you want to change the passcode settings, so for example, you don't want to use the same password on your phone, and if it's set on assistive access, you can actually tap on and change your assistive access passcode here. And basically, if you're ready with that, or if you're set with that, on the upper part, you'll see Start Assistive Access. All you have to do is to click on that, and you just have to wait for it to load up until it will be set to your assistive access where you can now use it. And basically, that's how you enable assistive access on iOS 17. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thanks for watching.